£4 off, 27 and 6 reduced to 10 shillings. At 8 o'clock this morning in department stores throughout the country, the drapes came off the counters, racks and shelves to reveal the bargains of the winter sales. Price reductions that draw thousands of people to the shops in a post-Christmas spending spree that has become almost an institution. These days there isn't much sign of the long queues that used to wait all night outside to get the pick of the bargains. The early morning onslaught is now turning into a midday mall, but there are still a few eager hunters willing to brave the early morning cold.
Well, I think they're a lot cheaper when you leave it till after Christmas.
What particular bargain are you after?
A coat for my daughter.
Are you getting a good reduction?
I hope so, that's what I come for.
What sort of reduction are you hoping for?
Oh, something about £4, reduced from 8, something like that.
The minute you walked in the joint, I could see you were a man of distinction, a real big spender, good looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind? So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every man I see. Hey, big spender.
Oh, it's exciting. You know, it's marvellous. Hoping for bargains, obviously.
What bargains have you got today?
Well, I've got 2 nice dresses for my mother.
How much money did you save on them?
Oh, I should say about £2.
Do you think that sales are a good idea?
Oh, yes, I always get the school children, school clothes here. They're getting now that they're teenagers. And I don't get so much of a bargain, you know, these coming men's clothes then.
Do you like the excitement of a sale?
Yes. I usually try to save Christmas money to come down.
The shoppers might have little doubt as to what they're after, but the stores adopt surprisingly different attitudes towards their sales. Several are prepared to make a loss, and frequently do. Others would rate this the time when their greatest profits are made. For all of them, it's a chance to clear out their existing stock to make room for the new fashions and styles of 1969. And many are not ashamed to admit that they also bring in vast quantities of goods from the manufacturers, specially for the sales.
I mean, I'm not getting what I'm looking for. Follow what I mean?
Do you think it's difficult to find what you're looking for in a sale?
Yes, if you are selective, you know.
What sort of reductions would satisfy you?
Well, £1 or 2. But I want value for money, you see.
Critics claim that it's only the regular customers in a store who know whether the bargains offered are really genuine. They argue that people who go to sales are the victims of a massive confidence trick. But the new Consumer Protection Act makes it virtually impossible for a shop to deceive its customers. Has this affected sales in any way? Eric Ramsey, managing director of the largest department store in Wales, describes the reaction of most stores.
The new Act, the Trade Descriptions Act, is designed really to protect legitimate and honest traders as well as members of the public. It doesn't affect us, except to make us perhaps a little more vigilant than ever in the matter of manufacturers' signs, which sometimes tend to be over-generous in their superlatives.
So in most stores, in fact, where we see a sign that says £1 reduced to 15 shillings, we know that the original price really was
genuine.
£1. Yeah. Do you find that people behave differently during a sale than to a normal shopping period?
Well, yes, I suppose they do, but a sale is very much a woman's world. A man is really, in the main, out of his class and this sort of thing. The women seem to get a tremendous kick out of getting a bargain.
Wouldn't you like to have fun? How's about a few laughs? I could show you a good time.
Bargain hunting is infectious. It has the thrill of the hunt without the etiquette. Normally shy people suddenly become self-assured and confident, and disputes over who saw what first may occasionally require Marquis of Queensberry rules. The customer may always be right. The question is, which customer? A £2 reduction can bring out the more basic emotions of humanity in an unrivaled fashion. Do sales give the exceptional value that everyone seems to think they offer? Well, except in the eyes of a few hardened campaigners, that doesn't seem to matter anymore. And apart from a few obvious exceptions, no one can really tell. A sale is the one time of the year when saving means spending.
Hey, big spender! time.